It's my birthday month. It's what? 1st of July and I'm sick? What do you think? Like मैं नायका और यूनिक्लो जाके आई and I won't give you a haul. ये duplicate माल है मैंने तो. I mean this is the sad part of the.
Wait a minute.
This is just a motivation I need. Are you kidding me? Look. मैंने मेरा व्रत तोड़ दिया है. It is raining still. Like it is raining since last night. And oh god. If you're wondering about my voice, it's because I'm sick. I don't know what happened in last 2 days. Like I got fever and tonsils. I don't know what caused it. I'm here for my medicines. I'm gonna heat this up. On Sunday, I literally slept. I didn't do editing. I mean, I did it. But then I posted it on a Monday, the next day. तो आज मुझे hair wash करना था. आज तो hair wash day भी नहीं, but it's so greasy. But I wasn't sick, so I just can't wash my hair, and that's. इसको टाइम लगने वाला है गर्म होने में. तब तक मैं brush my teeth. So this is jeera, ajwain and sauf ka pani. Like I soak it at night and then I heat it up the next morning and then I छान के मैं ले लेती हूँ. गरम पीना होता है. And this is good for your gut if your body is very acidic. So I think this helps to just cool it down. Like jeera ajwain is good for like gut issues, and sauf is something that it will your body will cool down. So yeah, this is the reason I have this like every morning. It keeps changing basically. Like पहले मैं vegetable juices लेती थी and then I started on protein shakes, like homemade. Like oats, I always have oats in my home. Dry fruits तो रहते ही है, and milk and banana. So depending on the season it changes. Like winters में I have a lot of like amla shots. यहीं पे वर्कआउट कर लेती थी. Push-ups. Jumps. Like even if you're not exercising, the 100 jumps makes a big difference. Like you get active, like a person like me who's so lazy to get out of the bed every morning. नींद खुल जाती पूरी. And थोड़ी देर के बाद I will have dry fruits, soaked almonds and soaked raisins. This is so that I won't faint in the whole day, and this is so I can get more brains. I'm just gonna sit thoda. I'm very sleepy, y'all. I'm gonna edit till then. Just done with editing for like 1 hour, and I also took a nap because it was getting too heavy for me to sit and edit. And now unfortunately मुझे छुट्टी नहीं मिली for being sick, which is sad. I mean, this is the sad part of the corporate slave. But anyway, I'm going to take shower and then I'll show you what all did I purchased on Sunday. I know it is too late for me to show at the moment, but better late than never because I just loved the outfits that I got. So I'll be back after shower in 3, 2, 1. Can you see I'm sick? Still I'm like, this is just a motivation I need so that I can function. And I don't know how at this point I'm even functioning, because at this time I would be like, hey, just a minute. I would be like rotting in my bed and eating khichdi or having a soup or watching a movie. But look, she's vlogging. What do you think? Like मैं Nykaa or Uniqlo जाके आई and I won't give you a haul? No, you are wrong. I would definitely give you a haul. You know, after showering, I feel a bit better because अभी मैं जितना बोल पा रही हूँ इतना मैं पहले नहीं बोल पा रही थी, which is a progress.
Okay.
But if I speak a lot, I might end up having very bad cough.
What?
Cough, nahi, cough. Cough, you can say.
Okay.
It's just my cough. Anyway, so let's start with Nykaa. The first thing that I got that I really wanted to get since a long time, which is this Dot & Key serum. Also, I am in full sleeve because monsoon is here. This is in the strawberry. So this is Dot & Key Strawberry Bright 10% Niacinamide Serum. Oh, इसको क्या हो गया भाई? Yeah. So I'm gonna apply this. ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा? Oh, it's thick. मेरा मिरर वहाँ पे. Such a cute color. I can't really say now anything because skincare ka I can't really give the outcome or the rating like now because I've just applied. I can say it's really nice. It gets dried really quick. It is a serum, so it's just like it is a drink for your skin, just like Kriti Sanon says. And jab results aega tab you'll know in the vlog series itself. I hope so. And then we have, I just love the color and the texture of this serum. So yeah. इसके पहले ना 2 months के लिए I have used the Hyphen collagen shot वाला, which is empty at the moment. See, you can see मैंने पूरा खाली कर दिया, like कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. This is double shot radiance lift serum. This was a very good purchase. I would like to buy it again, but it didn't work for my roommate. So do try first if it works on your skin or not, because this really helped me. But my roommate, her skin is already very glowy and she's fair. Her face is already plump, so I think उसके इस पे इतना effect आया नहीं. मेरा क्योंकि वैसा नहीं है, I need that. So this is something, if you don't have a plump skin, if you have a dry, dehydrated skin, this is for that one. It gives you kind of like clear skin and glossy wala. Like it goes very well under makeup, I can say, yeah. So I can't really say like it is good or you have to buy it. It completely depends person to person, skin to skin. So do try. It is a good purchase. Do try. This is the moisturizer that I got, gel moisturizer by Dot & Key. मैंने इसके पहले Pond's वाला यूज़ किया है. This is in the same thing. And मुझे actually मैंने moisturizer मंगाया भी था, ठीक है? I still have it. I'll show you this one, the Pond's वाला. ये मैंने जो यूज़ किया है ना, this is something that my cousin recommended me, एंड वो अच्छा गया था, नो डाउट. दैट वाज सुपर लाइट जेल. ये पता नहीं क्या मैंने ब्लिंकिट से मंगा लिया, ये एकदम डुप्लीकेट माल आ गया है, एकदम डुप्लीकेट. लाइक वो वाला कैसा था जेल, वो जेल फील होता था, यू नो देयर इज समथिंग ऑन योर फेस. ये लगाते ही बुझ जाता है, लाइक इट इवेपोरेट्स. इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉट इवन ऑन योर स्किन, इट गेट्स ड्राइड अगेन. ये डुप्लीकेट माल है, मैंने तो खत्म भी नहीं किया है ये. एंड ये सस्ते में था, बट स्टिल पैसे तो गए. बट एनी वे, डोंट बाय एनी सच थिंग फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिट. Anyway, so this is the reason I got a upgraded version of the applicator. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna work after. आज मुझे sadly छुट्टी नहीं मिली है, but I don't know, but my skin is not that dehydrated as it was like 2-3 days ago. Because fever होने के बाद, I don't know, sometimes fever is good for you. What? Because it's just, you know, तुम्हारा skin थोड़ा सा पता नहीं क्या secrete करता है, but your skin kind of glows, you know, when you have fever. इस पे नहीं दिख रहा, but real life में I could feel it. I like this moisturizer. It is very glowy. See, मेरे pimples की वजह से मैं अच्छी नहीं दिख रही हूँ, but I loved it. Moving on, I've got this lip balm जो मैंने already खोल दिया है because I wanted to use it yesterday. I'm very crazy for lipsticks, lip gloss, lip balms. This is the new lip balm that I got. It is Dot & Key. नाम है यार, क्या नाम है इसका? This is Dot & Key Melty Lip Balm in the strawberry glaze. And इसको, you know, it's like a lipstick. It's it has its own color. इज़ गुड फॉर माई ऑफिस, क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस में आजकल पता नहीं लिपस्टिक लगाने में मैं बहुत आलस कर देती हूँ. स्टिल मैं लगा लेती हूँ एक बार. आई डोंट रीअप्लाई इट अगैन, विच इज़ एन इम्प्रूवमेंट. ओके, बिकॉज मेरी मॉम से रिसेंटली मुझे डांट पड़ गई है कि लिपस्टिक मत लगाया कर, इट हैज़ सो मेनी केमिकल्स, पेट में चला जाता है. सब तो खाती ही रहती है. मम्मी का खौफ थोड़ा बहुत तो रहता ही है, कितना भी आर्ग्यू कर लो. बट एनी वे, this lip balm is something that I can wear like daily, like in office. It has SPF 50+, जो अभी तो धूप निकलने वाला है नहीं, but still I'm gonna apply it. It is a very moisturizing. It's not even like, you know, चिपक रहा है, no. And this tastes like Alpenliebe. Pink वाला, वो मेरा favorite हुआ करता था. Oh, also I got these pimple patches. These are so cute. Like, मैं कभी ऐसा पिम्पल पैच लगा के जाती नहीं थी. आई यूज टू कवर इट विद कंसीलर एंड फाउंडेशन, बट इट जस्ट यूज टू वर्सन इट आउट. सो आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग पिम्पल पैच विच आई ऑर्डर लाइक फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिट, विच इज़ गश कंपनी का डार्टेड. ये मैं यूज़ करती थी, जो मैंने ब्लिंकिट में एकदम रैंडमली ऑफिस जाने के पहले ही मंगा लिया था. एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाइड इट एंड आई गॉट दीज वंस. दीज आर हार्ट स्टिकर्स, वेरी क्यूट. इट इज़ अ मस्ट फॉर मी, क्योंकि मानसून आ गया है तो मुझे मानसून सीजन में पिंपल्स बहुत आ जाते हैं. आई गेट एक्ने. आई गॉट लाइक, गेस करो मैं कितने फेस मास्क लाए होंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 face masks. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look. ये तुम्हें ऑफर पता है नायका में होता है, बाय 5 get 5, पे फॉर 5 get 5 for free. This is what it is. I am restocked. यूजुअली मैं बायोडेंस का यूज़ करने लग गई थी, द वाइट कोलाजन लाइक स्लीप मास्क वाला. मेरे पास ना उतना बजट नहीं है अभी, क्योंकि बर्थडे आ रहा है, बहुत खर्चा होने वाला है. सो इसलिए आई गॉट द सस्ता वाला. These are also really nice. It is very cooling on your skin and very nice. I got the perfume, mini perfume. I'm really crazy for perfumes as well. I love perfumes. You know, billing counter पे जहाँ पे ऐसे बस रखे हुए होते हैं ट्रायल बेसिस पे. So I was just trying them and उसमें से मुझे ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा, which is Midnight in New York. Oh my god. Yeah, I love this smell, so I got it. ये लगाने के बाद थोड़ी टाइम बाद when it, you know, it mixes with the air and all, it smells really nice. This will go in my office bag. Also, I got something for myself, which is from German bakery. Hot chocolate. They also gave me this tumbler. I'm a bit of in a mood of like pampering myself, so I bought paneer Mexican sandwich. This is really hot, so it's better I start having now. You know, hot chocolate के साथ मेरा बहुत बुरा experience है. Whenever I take like the first sip, it just burns my tongue and उसके ऊपर मुझे taste ही नहीं आता है. I hope अभी ऐसा ना हो. Wow. You know, also it's 1st of July. It's my birthday month. I'm so excited. And guess what? 1st of July and I'm sick. I hope I don't cry on my birthday at least. And right now I will be showing what I got from Uniqlo. So here is the first outfit. So first purchase is this top. It is a stripped top and it's very cozy, I feel, because monsoons are here, the sweatshirt season is here. It's the sweater weather. It's very basic and this is something that I will wear like very often because मैंने मेरा व्रत तोड़ दिया है shopping का. What? You know, because for a couple of months I wasn't buying anything. I was just roaming around and doing window shopping. I wasn't buying anything, but this time I did because I was really happy with the collection that they had. और भी अच्छे tops वगैरह थे, but this is the one that I chose. It is very expensive, hell expensive. But anyway, I feel like basic is the new chic, is the new sexy, and also this is in the size M because थोड़ा सा मुझे बड़ा oversized चाहिए था. I like oversized clothes. How cool it looks. See. Also, I bought the linen pants. If you want a good linen clothing, so you should definitely go to Uniqlo because they have really good linen collection. Like the quality is amazing. This is the beige linen pant that I got. So I'll just wear this and show you. This is the fit. Wait, let me take it more down. This is the trouser. It's very good for like office formals and all. And this shirt is also from Uniqlo. It's very comfy. Really love this. Even this is in linen. It's kind of like giving like old money vibes. This shirt with the beach pants and some sunglasses. Wait, I'll get it. Where the sunglasses coming? Anyway, I'm not able to find it at the moment. I don't even remember where I've kept it. Such a loss. I'm so sleepy as well.
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna try something. If you know, you know. This is such a Taylor Swift quoted. Look. What? If you know, you know. Yeah. This is my new favorite look for this shirt and for this pant. Yeah. I think I just need a red lip. I'm not gonna apply it now though. जब मैं ये पहनूंगी तभी होगा ये. Anyway, this is what I created. Uniqlo. This shirt and this linen pant, and here's my third one. This is my third look. It's very cute. Both of it. This is a see-through top, knitted one, and inside is just a camisole. Which, I mean, both of them are separate. These are like purchases separately. This is something that I can wear under my shorts and everything, like pullover, shirt or anything. So that is the reason I bought this. This is very like summer coded, although summers are not here. But I'm sorry. Although summers are not here, but I would definitely wear this if I'm at a beach or outside. I don't know why I wanted to buy this. This is very much out of season wala thing, but I just loved it. I mean, why not? I can wear it. Like, I can just wear a jacket or anything, go out and click some pictures and everything. Yeah, it's very cute. I love the color. They had many color options. Like this shirt as well, I found like I think 8-9 colors in this shirt. There was butter yellow, butter pink, butter blue. Why is everything butter? And green and beige, brown. Many colors. Like एक ही pattern में ना तुमको बहुत सारे colors मिल जाएंगे, बहुत options मिल जाएंगे. So yeah, this is all for this weekend vlog. Although I'm ending it on a weekday, but doesn't matter. Also, we have Taylor Swift and Travis's wedding, the July 4th weekend, and I just can't wait when she will drop the photos and everything because I'm just so happy for them, like genuinely, like really, I'm so happy. Taylor Swift, who's been writing so many heartbreak songs, love songs, for last 20 years. Now she is getting married. Like it just creates like hope. Like in future, no matter how long it takes, you will definitely find your Taylor or your Travis in your whole life. So don't give up on love. That's what I would say. So thank you for watching. I have many things planned for this vlog series. Many exciting things that you would want to watch. So yeah. So stay tuned. Do like if you like this video. Do subscribe and comment. What you'll comment. Please comment blue heart to resemble this top so I can know that you have completed watching the video. And please do subscribe. I see my viewers, but I don't see them subscribing, which is sad. So do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video soon. So stay tuned. Do catch up. Do like. Do subscribe. Love you. Bye.